I was like, never will I ever work in a fucking office.
I've always felt so about office work.
And then I started doing it, and I was like, well, now I have coffees for a living and solve problems.
I'm Winston Wolfe. I solve problems.
You see the person's elation and like how they're feeling about life. And did you ever think you'd just be sitting and talking shit for a living? Like this?
Mate, like talking shit is like my forte. You ask any of my mates, anyone that knows me, I'm the guy that talks shit.
Oh, he's talking shit. Just can't open it. Goddamn door.
But that's the fun part. Like for me, I like to get on with people on like a personal level, on a vibe, or like over a beer, coffee, whatever it is, and then at least I know that you're a good person, and it's like I love working with good people. For me, that's like a big thing. The last thing you want to have is like 10 clients breathing down your neck going, my fee's too high.
Oh, that's too expensive.
But like if you're providing value constantly, like money it's not an issue.
No,
because you're solving a problem. And so we break it down into 3 things, and it's like the 3 freedoms: time freedom, mind freedom, and financial freedom. And so you could talk to like biggest business that we look after. He doesn't care about numbers. It's about, I just want less stress. I've got a big business. What can you do to solve this problem? And that's when you do like an organizational review and you like restructures and things like that. It just makes it better for them to solve one of those 3 freedoms.